We read the first stanza of the poem Go and Catch a Falling Star by John Donne. So, we see that I told you one of the characteristics of metaphysical poetry is the abruptness of the poem, abrupt opening. So, we see that Go and Catch a Falling Star, the very opening line is abrupt. Then we also see that in these lines the poet is establishing his belief that it is impossible to find a woman who is beautiful and fair at the same time. In this stanza, we also see, first he talks about the images which are related to fantasy, जो काल्पनिक images हैं, जैसे falling star and mermaids singing. Then this is a mythical term, a mandrake root, and suddenly we see a change in the tone. All of a sudden, as I told you, metaphysical poetry is also philosophical. And all of a sudden, he talks about where all past years are, or to keep off envy stinging. These lines, they surprise the reader. The change is startling. Okay. Now, let us come to the second stanza. If thou beest born to strange sights, things invisible to see, ride 10,000 days and nights till age snow white hairs on thee. Thou, when thou returnest, will tell me all strange wonders that befell thee, and swear nowhere lives a woman true and fair. Now, if thou beest born to strange sights, now Donne is saying that if you are born to see strange sights, यदि आपका जो जन्म है वो इसलिए हुआ है कि आप strange sights यानी अद्भुत दृश्यों को देख सकें, things invisible to see, अदृश्य चीज़ों को देख सकें, राइड 10,000 डेज एंड नाइट्स. अब इस लाइन को आप देखो, 10,000 डेज एंड नाइट्स. आप इमेजिन कर सकते हो 10,000 डेज एंड नाइट्स अराउंड कितना टाइम, 27 ईयर्स का ये टाइम होता है. और यहाँ पे टिल एज स्नो वाइट हेयर्स ऑन दी, यानी वो बोल रहे हैं कि आप अगर इस दुनिया का सफ़र करें, ट्रैवल करें, तो वो ट्रैवलर के लिए बोल रहे हैं कि अगर वो 10,000 डेज एंड नाइट्स लगातार अगर ट्रैवल करें, जब तक कि आपके जो सिर के बाल हैं वो पूरी तरह से स्नो वाइट, सब बर्फ़ की तरह सफ़ेद नहीं हो जाते. नाउ यू नोट वन थिंग, ये यहाँ पे एग्जैजरेशन, ही हैज़ मेड यूज़ ऑफ एग्जैजरेशन. एग्जैजरेशन बोलते हैं अतिशयोक्ति. 10,000 days and nights, isn't it? 10,000 days and nights is an example of exaggeration, or it is also called hyperbole. Till age snow white hairs on thee. Now you also note that because John Donne was a lawyer, okay, so he is trying to assert his belief. He is not asking you, he is trying to assert his belief through intellectual arguments. Thou, when thou returnest. So, O traveler, when you come back from your journey, will tell me all strange wonders. You will tell me about all the strange things that you saw befell thee. Thee means you, befell means you came across, जो तुमने देखी. वो तुम सारी चीज़ों के बारे में मुझे बताओगे। एंड स्वेयर नो वेयर, लेकिन मैं कसम खाता हूँ, क्या? आई स्वेयर, स्वेयर यानी कसम खाना, नो वेयर, कहीं भी तुम्हें क्या नहीं दिखी होगी? लिव्स अ वुमन ट्रू एंड फेयर। What he wants to assert is, what the poet wants to assert is that you can travel the whole world, but still you will never find a woman who is true as well as fair at the same time. You also note that the title of this poem was Song. So there got to be some music in it, and you see these words, and swear, nowhere. एक म्यूजिकल क्वालिटी you can feel. So lives a woman true and fair. He wants to establish the fact that it is impossible to find a woman who is true and fair at the same time.